There are 8 stock exchanges in Germany: the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, XFRA, the Xetra Stock Exchange, XETR, the Stuttgart Stock Exchange, XSTU, the Munich Stock Exchange, XMUN, the Berlin Stock Exchange, XBER, the Dusseldorf Stock Exchange, XDUS, the Hamburg Stock Exchange, XHAM, and the Hannover Stock Exchange, XHAN. The Frankfurt Stock Exchange is by far the biggest and the one you should look at to get exposure to German equities in the easiest way. Most German equities are listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange as their primary listing. The different exchanges can offer slightly different capacities and methods of trading. There are also foreign companies that are listed on the Frankfurt Exchange. More than 80 countries list on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, with about 50% from North and South America, 30% from Europe, 14% from Asia, and 6% from Australia and Africa. When filtering for German stocks only on the Frankfurt Exchange, there are 364 stocks available. As Germany is a Western European developed economy, you will have plenty of access to its listed equities with any major standard brokers. Stocks are denominated in euros. Germany's economy is a well-developed social market economy. It possesses Europe's largest economy, as well as the world's 4th biggest nominal GDP and 5th biggest GDP, PPP. According to the International Monetary Fund, the country accounted for 28% of the euro area GDP in 2017. Germany had the greatest trade surplus in the world in 2016 at $310 billion, making it the world's largest capital exporter. Germany is one of the world's major exporters, with products and services valued at $1,810.93 billion in 2019. The service sector accounts for over 70% of overall GDP, industry for 29.1%, and agriculture for 0.9%. Exports accounted for 41% of total production. Vehicles, machinery, chemical goods, electronic items, electrical equipment, medicines, transport equipment, basic metals, food items, and rubber and plastics are among Germany's top 10 exports. Germany's economy is Europe's largest manufacturing economy, and it is less likely to be damaged by a financial crisis. The German Mittelstand, or small and medium-sized businesses, account for 99% of all businesses in the country, with the majority of them being family-owned. In the Fortune Global 2000, 53 of the world's 2,000 largest publicly traded firms by revenue are located in Germany, with Allianz, Daimler, Volkswagen, Siemens, BMW, Deutsche Telekom, Bayer, BASF, Munich Re and SAP in the top 10. Germany is home to 37 of the Fortune Global 500, the world's largest stock market listed corporations as measured by sales in 2010. The DAX, or German Stock Market Index, includes 30 businesses located in Germany: Mercedes-Benz, BMW, SAP, Siemens, Volkswagen, Adidas, Audi, Allianz, Porsche, Bayer, BASF, Bosch and Nivea are all well-known worldwide brands. Double taxation treaties are available with most countries, therefore you are only liable to pay capital gains tax in your home country in most cases. The most useful information pertaining to that exchange will be the economic sentiment indicators published by the European Union and the short-term indicators of the Statistisches Bundesamt. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.